Hello friends, my name is Manoj Kumar from the Corp IT. In this today video, we'll see about the Jellyfin, how you can set up your media server in your home and how you can actually use it. So Jellyfin is a utility that we use as a media server. There is another utility like Plex, and there are a couple more utility are over there that you can use. So in today video, we'll see how we can set up the Jellyfin in our home lab. So first of all, we'll see our compose file. So our Docker compose file will look something like this. The name, the image that it is taking, the container image should be Jellyfin. These are the values like the PUID, group ID. This is the time zone, and this is the location for the configs, the TV shows and the movies. This is the port that I'm using. This is the restart policy for this container, and this is the network that I'm using. We'll see each one by thing, each thing accordingly. So we'll go over there. So we'll do cd dot dot. We'll do cd dot dot cd. So first of all, we'll see our config, our TV show, our movies. Okay. So for that, I created one folder named Docker where you like put everything due to this. Let me just highlight over there. Do this side and visual code should be this side, so it will be easy. So there how is it? We'll do Jellyfin. I already created a folder with the name Jellyfin. So this is the folder. So first of all, we need to create a folder with this name. So we'll copy the name, seed mkdir config. We'll copy TV show, mkdir TV show. We'll do movies, mkdir movies. Okay, my bad. Also, we'll do mkdir movies and we'll do ls-la. So we can see we have our three folders. This is how we'll pass our each and every folder over here. Now we'll see how we get these ID. So for that, in any Linux machine, or like the same command will work on Mac OS also. So you just need to type ID. We'll get all those details. Same thing I posted over there. Now we'll see how to run that. So we'll open terminal over here. So this is our terminal. So we'll see what are the files we have. We have the jellyfin.yaml. This is the actual file. So first of all, we'll see whether we have the uh, network with the lab network or not. So we'll do docker network ls. So as you can see, we have the a network with the name lab network. Now let's just create it. So we'll do docker compose -f file name. After that up -d. Okay. So our container, as you can see, it's already created. Let's just see whether it is running or not. So for that, we'll do docker ps-a grep jellyfin. As you can see, our container is also running. So how to access that? Will open obstack. Regarding the obstack, I already created a video. I will make sure I will add that in the description so it will be easy for you. So this is the container that I created. The best thing about the object, it will also create your FQDN also. So this is the FQDN. We'll click. So once it loaded, will start with something like that. We need to click next. Then it will ask for the username, and let just add my username and password. Once that done, it will ask you to add your libraries. So we already added that. Let's suppose for movies, we click on the folders. We'll select movies that we created. We'll click OK. Same will do for the show. We'll see show and click on the folders. We'll click TV shows. Okay. Once it's done, we'll click on next. We'll select India as my country is India. After that, let it be default. Yes, done. That's me for the password. As of now, we don't have any content. So what we'll do, we'll open terminal and we'll do to our directory. So I have a movie, okay, so I already have a DVD for that, and I just repaired because I don't support piracy. So I already have a movie. Let's just copy it over there. So we'll do cd and so I have this movie. We'll copy it over here. we have a movie. So we'll go again over here. So we'll click on the movie, we'll click on the refreshment data, and it will take some time. So once the movie will be there, it will show something like this. So that's how you can watch it. Will not play this video because then there will be a copyright strike. So let's suppose if you have that movie, but like it's not fetching up the detail. So then what you can do go to IMDb, search for the movie that you want. So in my case, Shisham Redemption. So we'll do. Uh, so once it's there, so this is the ID that you need to paste. Like it can be have for every movie. Then you can just click on the identify, add this ID, and then this is the fetch. But in our case, it is already there, so we need not to do that. So this is a quick video about how you can set it up a Jellyfin media server for all your legal obtained content. And I hope you like this video. In the upcoming video, probably we'll discuss like how you can set it up your encoder based upon your hardware, but we'll see later on. So that's it for this video. We'll catch up in the next one. Till the time, peace.